Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of the city of Kingston. We are on Washington Boulevard heading towards Mandela Highway. Today we're actually heading out to Old Harbor, so you can take the tour with us. Now, if we turn left, we'd go on to Spanish Town Road. Now this area right here is where you come off Mandela Highway and come into Kingston. Whether you go on to Washington Boulevard where you come down that ramp on the right, or you veer left where that overhead bridge and go on to Spanish Town Road. Now the government announced recently that they want to redesign and re-engineer Washington Boulevard and Spanish Town Road, because when you drive that intersection where we just pointed out, they're saying you don't get the feeling that you're entering the largest city in Jamaica, the capital city, the main city, because there are some homes to the left that the government says is more like an eyesore. So they want to redesign and re-engineer those two roads. Now that's welcome news, because look at the road we're on. This is Mandela Highway. This road was recently renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. That was a few years ago at a cost of $64 million US. But when you drive on this road, you think you're driving in a first world country. Look at the quality of the road. This is the kind of road you would find on an interstate in the US. And then when you come off this road and go on to Washington Boulevard or Spanish Town Road, it's a completely different environment. So the government wants to fix up Spanish Town Road and Washington Boulevard to make it look more like this road, so that when you drive in, you feel as if you're driving into a city. So they haven't given any details yet as to the cost or the scope of the project, but it's something that they're working on. And Spanish Town Road is actually under renovation. So it's curious that road has not even finished. I mean, it has been delayed and delayed and delayed. And then the government announced they want to redesign and re-engineer it before the road has even been rehabilitated under the original project. But nonetheless, you have to work with the progress. Washington Boulevard definitely could do with an upgrade. So can Spanish Town Road. The road should look like this, because when you come off Mandela, you're going to downtown Kingston, you're going to take Spanish Town Road. Spanish Town Road has the busiest intersection in Jamaica on it. So, or off it, I should say. So definitely that road should look like this. Washington Boulevard takes you up to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So it definitely should look like this. And the stretch of Washington Boulevard from Mandela looks like this, and then Dunrobin Avenue looks like this. So it's just Washington Boulevard that needs to be upgraded. And the government is doing a good job with the roads. We must give them credit. We're not a political channel, guys, but we have to give them credit, because they are doing a good job. On the main roads, I should say. They are building highways, they are renovating roads, and they have the Greater Infrastructure Development Program coming up. And that road, the main road on that to be fixed, is going to be the other half of Mandela Highway and a lot of other roads. They're going to build bypasses, I think, in Lucy and Hopewell. Under the Northern Coastal Highway project, they're going to build bypasses for Discovery Bay, Runaway Bay, and they're going to upgrade the Northern Coastal Highway to 4 lanes, so it looks more like a highway in certain parts. And they're definitely, you can see the progress that the country is making, I should say. Not the government, the country is making with the main roads. The Southern Coastal Highway is being built from Harborview to Port Antonio. It's a really nice road, and it's not a toll road, so that's a significant point to make. The Highway 2000 roads are toll roads, but the Southern Coastal Highway is not a toll road. So the government is definitely making progress rebuilding out the infrastructure in Jamaica. Alright, so right here is where the rehabilitation work for Mandela Highway ended, and part 2 under the Greater Infrastructure Development Program, this is where it will start and go all the way down to the roundabout by the Spanish Town Road bypass. So here, just to give you an idea of where we're at, if you turn left, you go into Portmore. Okay, so originally we were talking about Spanish Town Road and Washington Boulevard. So Spanish Town Road is actually under renovation now. It's a two-part project. The government, the NWC laid pipes, and then the NWA is to pave over the road and rehabilitate the road. The pipes have been laid by NWC. The last we heard is that they were pressure testing it, and this is probably about 6 months ago. And since then, no work has been done on Spanish Town Road. The road has not been rehabilitated. It has not been paved. So we're not sure what's going on. And it has reached a point now where the residents have asked the government to bring in China Harbour Engineering Company to finish the road, to finish the work, because it's just there. All right, but outside of that project, that's the pipeline and the paving over the road, the government wants to redesign and re-engineer Spanish Town Road along with Washington Boulevard. So that's good news, because I mean, any progress is good progress with these roads. And they haven't given any more updates, but as they put out the updates, we'll keep you guys updated. Now, on the right is where you would turn to enter the Highway 2000 North-South leg, and that road takes you from where we are, which is the Caymanos area in St. Catherine, to Ocho Rios, or more specifically, from the Caymanos in St. Catherine to Miami Bay in St. Anne. But Miami Bay is like a 3-minute or 5-minute drive from Miami Bay to Ocho Rios. Alright guys, remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.